Welcome to a quick demonstration of Quadify Base, the essential Blender add-on for cleaning up and optimizing your 3D meshes. Let's start by importing a standard triangulated 3D model, in this case, a 3D burger. When we look at the wireframe, you can see the issue right away. The mesh is incredibly dense and made entirely of messy triangles, which can be a nightmare for editing, unwrapping, or animating. This is where Quadify Base comes in. With just a single click on the Convert to Quads button, the add-on instantly analyzes the geometry and transforms the chaotic triangles into clean, workable quadrilaterals. To check the quality of the conversion, you can toggle the Live Quad overlay. This powerful visualizer highlights all the quads in green and any remaining triangles in red, giving you immediate, clear feedback. But Quadify Base isn't just a converter, it's a doctor for your 3D models. Under the Mesh Health tab, you can run a diagnostic to find flipped normals, non-manifold geometry, or zero area faces. Just click Fix All Issues, and your mesh is instantly repaired and ready to go. If you need more precision, you have full control over the conversion settings. By adjusting the face angle limit and running the conversion again, you can refine how the algorithm handles sharp edges and curves, tailoring the topology perfectly to your model. The tool also includes built-in poly reduction and cleanup features, allowing you to easily decimate heavy meshes while preserving their shape and keeping your scene running smoothly. Whether you're working with raw 3D scans, CAD data, or heavy game assets, Quadify Base takes the headache out of retopology. Turn your messy triangles into production-ready quads in seconds.